fund and check if auto reinvest is turned on. If it's not turned on, it means I can withdraw my money. If it's turned on, then then the money would have automatically been reinvested. So if the minimum holding period is 100 and something days, can I withdraw my money now without them taking out of it? So when you click on redeem here, let's see what happens. Also, I haven't done this, but you see it says here 460 units out of your renewal will charge penalty fee as as they have positive return and haven't met the minimum holding period. Do you see how messed up this is? So my estimated amount now is 509. So I actually have to hold this mutual fund for another 2 months, March, if I want to withdraw my money. If not, they are going to take a penalty fee. Why is that? Because these guys did not correctly mention the minimum holding period within their app. So what the customer support person told me was that I can go ahead and withdraw the money, that they are not going to charge me anything unless I did the automatic invest thing, which I did not do. So as you guys can see, I'm being charged for actually withdrawing early because the minimum holding period was not correctly stated. What is the penalty fee? 3,000 naira. After holding for 1 month, this is basically what I'll be getting. I'm not happy about it, but I'm done with this. So I am just going to click on confirm. Stay invested, yada yada. Nope. So I'm going to click on redeem. And then let's see what happens. Processing. So it will probably take another day or two for me to receive the money, but yeah, this is how you sell your mutual fund on the Palmpay app. I can't believe I'm saying this because I was hoping to hold this longer or make another video about how to manage it and everything, but yeah, I'm done. Let's just end the show here. Now you guys are probably wondering, why did you not just buy it from ARM directly? Well, I did not buy it from ARM because directly because this is the ARM app, right? When I go to my profile and I go to account information, then investment account, I'm supposed to see my CSCS number here and my CHN number, right? It's been over a month. These guys, they told me that my account is verified, but I still haven't gotten the CSCS and CHN numbers. So it doesn't make sense. I wouldn't, go ahead and transact with the platform if they haven't really explained this bit. So that is why I did not come here to buy directly from here.